Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.09. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 58.91% since we first listed Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 54 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.09% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, signaling further potential for growth. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 62.17% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 45.29% and 67.80%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 21.08%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 66.73% and negative 19.54% over the coming year. This would place the future price between $52.24 and $126.33. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Advanced Micro Devices. On the last trading day, the stock price for Advanced Micro Devices gained a slight increase of 0.0064%, rising from $156.99 to $157. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.15%, with a low of $156.96 and a high of $160.34. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by 16.47% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day by 9 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares being traded, amounting to approximately $6.08 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $174.05, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the stock price is 9.80%, or $17.05, below the 52-week high, and 30.93%, or $70.30, below the all-time high recorded on March 8, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, has recently captured significant attention, with developments that may impact its stock price in both the short and long term. The Halftime Investment Committee has spotlighted top selections in the semiconductor sector, which could spark heightened interest and investment in AMD as it competes with other major industry players. Recent updates from Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company have sent ripples throughout the semiconductor market, affecting both NVIDIA and AMD. This situation could bolster investor sentiment and elevate stock prices as AMD aligns itself with favorable industry trends. Furthermore, analysts foresee a robust future for growth stocks, particularly within the technology sector. AMD, recognized for its advancements in artificial intelligence and high-performance computing, stands to gain considerably from this momentum. The recent increase in its share price by over 24% reflects a positive outlook and growing confidence in the market. However, billionaire investor David Tepper's choice to sell AMD and NVIDIA has raised questions, suggesting a degree of caution in the market. Yet, other analysts remain optimistic about AMD's potential resurgence in the artificial intelligence domain. As economic conditions improve and artificial intelligence technology continues to progress, AMD's strategic position becomes increasingly attractive for long-term gains. Additionally, Citi has recently raised AMD's price target, indicating a bullish sentiment among analysts. This blend of strong analyst backing and favorable market trends positions AMD for a potential comeback, making it a stock worth monitoring as we move into the latter half of 2025. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Advanced Micro Devices a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Advanced Micro Devices an overweight grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Advanced Micro Devices an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned Advanced Micro Devices a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Advanced Micro Devices a reduce grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a neutral rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 17, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 2.13%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $154.68 and $134.10. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 55 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 54 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 61 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $155.61. This level may represent a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.38 between its high and low points, which is a change of 2.15%. For the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.06%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 470 thousandths of a dollar. It is important to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $160.08. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $155.61. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Papermaster Mark D, who bought and sold 35,996 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 12.533. Overall, insiders purchased 623,620 shares and sold 817,350 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $150.87, representing a decrease of 3.91%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 2 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals along with a generally positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for advanced micro devices stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, we anticipate advanced micro devices to open higher by $1.10, starting at $158.10. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.